Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all feeling good at your home. We are back with another lecture, that is lecture number 3. Today's our lecture topic is articles. What do you mean by an articles? Articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. What do you mean by the specific or unspecific? An article is a word that modifies, describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. Articles can be described as a type of adjectives, as they also tell us something about the nouns like adjectives. English has two types of articles: definite article, indefinite article. The is the definite article, a and an is the indefinite article. Now come to the first type of article, that is definite article. That what do you mean by the word definite? Definite means to be clear, exact, or obvious about something. It is called definite because it is used in relation to a particular thing or person. The definite article indicates that the noun is specific. The speaker talks about a particular thing. For example, the cat sat on the couch. Here in this example, the specify the noun. The specify the noun. That is, the cat sat on the couch. The dog attacked me and ran away. Again, here in this example, the is a definite article because the noun is specific. I will pick you up at the airport. Again, here in this example, the is the definite article because it talks about a particular thing. Okay, so what do you mean by the indefinite articles? Indefinite means something which is not clear, which is not obvious, which is not exact. They are called indefinite. So the indefinite articles indicates that the noun is not someone or something in particular. The indefinite articles in English are a and an. One thing more, that we use an only with vowel words, that is a, e, I, o, u, and a is used with every word except vowel words, and rest of the alphabets are called consonant. Why they are called consonant? Because they are not vowel words. Do you have a pencil? So here in this example, a is the indefinite article. I want to have an apple. Here in this example, an is the indefinite article. Why we put an with apple? Because it starts with the vowel word. So I told you that we use an only with the vowel words, that the vowel word starts with a, e, I, o, u, right? I have bought a car. Here in this example, we used a article with the car. Why we used a? Because car is not a vowel word. Got it? Now I am giving you the summary of today's lecture topic is articles. So articles is a word that modifies or describes a noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. English has two types of articles, that is definite article and indefinite article. Definite article means to be clear, exact, or obvious about the something. It is called definite because it is used in relation to the particular thing or person. It indicates that the noun is specific. The indefinite article means something which is not clear, which is not obvious, which is not exact. They are called indefinite. And the indefinite articles in English are a and am. Now I am giving you the task that you have do this task in your neat copies, that is exercise related to articles. So here in this exercise you have to put a suitable article in the blanks, right? There are five sentences and you have to put a suitable article in the blanks. I heard dash child cry. That was dash excellent meal. I have to go to dash shop today. The dog sat on dash car. Ali has an evening job as dash office cleaner. So this is the exercise related to articles. You have do it in your neat copies, right? You have to draw the margin line properly. You have to write this exercise with neat and clean writing, and you have to put the date in your page, and you have to underline the headings properly. Okay, thank you very much.